Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Apple ID. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. In order to log into your Apple ID, go click open any web browser. In the search box, type in appleid.apple.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Once you reach to the official website, enter your Apple ID in the text field. Once you do that, if you'd like the system to remember you, keep this box checked so that you won't have to log in again and again. If you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box. In case you've forgotten your Apple ID, you can click on this link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password and follow the instructions to look for your Apple ID. Once you have the Apple ID, type it in and click on Next. Now, a password text field will appear. Simply type in your password in the text box. Make sure to type in the correct password. Double check your password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner so that you can reveal it. And once you double check, click on Next. Soon after you do that, you'll need to enter the two-factor authentication code that has been sent to your mobile number. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Apple ID quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.